Impact TV presents Mega Manung HUTNA 2021 on 31st of December 2021 on the topic 2022 KANAGI LEINGAK. Time 4 to 7 p.m. Venue Sangay Hall, Hotel Imphal. The panelists are Honrei Khulkashung, NPF Secretary General, Hankan Pautaitul, President GDU, CH Bijoy, BJP's Chief Spokesperson, Ratika Yumnam, Youth President NPP, Hareshwar Goswami, INC Spokesperson, Rinku Kumukchan, Editor, The Imphal Times, W. Joy Kumar, RTI activist, and Dr. Dhanavir Laishram, social scientist. Our editor, Raj Nongthombam, and anchor, Sarat Sharma, will host a discussion. Powered by Mayol app, doing the right thing in the right way in a wrong world. Babina Groups. Co-powered by HVS, CJ Hospitals and Research Institute of Private Limited. Mother's Care, Children Hospital and Research Center. Likla. Mongstangay Kanba Pun Balub. Sponsored by Macy, come and complete your dreams. Bantoibi Housing and Finance Company Limited. Nishikant Sapam, BJP intending candidate Kay Shamtong Assembly Constituency. Thangjam Arun Kumar, intending candidate Wankai Assembly Constituency. Sheikh Nurul Hassan, intending candidate Ketragaon Assembly Constituency. Shrimati S.K.B. Devi, BJP intending candidate 21 Naria Pakang Lakpa Assembly Constituency. Laurembam Rameshwar Maitai, Honorable MLA, Kairao Assembly Constituency. Mayang Langbam Binod, intending candidate Sukno Assembly Constituency. MSPR Enterprises, Authorized Dealer, Cargill and CPF. Globus, Mobile Furniture for Modern Living. Hartel Furniture. Mediland, making healthcare accessible and affordable. MACHELVA AGRO, one-stop solutions for agriculture and horticulture. Pointrex Educational Solution Private Limited. KH Menjor Mangang, intending candidate Kangapog Assembly Constituency. Tauchom Lokeshwar, Honorable MLA Kundrapam Assembly Constituency. Co-sponsored by UNACO, Excellence in Education. Raj Medicity, humanitarian service with dedication.